wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hi guys, my name is Patience from Baruthi Studios, and I'm here to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. And do enjoy, have fun with friends and family, and let's also not forget the reason for the season. Let us renew our Christian faith. Let us strengthen our Christian belief, and let us make merry. And remember to also share with the less fortunate. Do not eat all alone, and also be safe wherever you are. We need to all cross over to 2023. And let's meet in 2023 and have a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2023 from me to you. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.